What's going on, guys? I'm Raw Master, and today we're doing another episode of Project Laser. I believe it's episode 4. If I'm correct, I think so. Episode 4. So today we're doing something to the front of Project Laser again. I know we already did the Mach 1 chin spoiler last episode, and we already did the wheels, and now we are doing something else to the front. I'll let you guys take a second, put it in the comments down below, and I guess there's really no point in guessing because you're going to see it in the title of this video. But nonetheless, it is in this box right in front of me, and I'm going to show you when my girlfriend gets here, because she's going to help me record. I already got the tools laid out on top of the refrigerator there, and yeah, we got the truck here. Have a little update on the truck. It's been running pretty good. Haven't had any problems with it. I don't know if I'm gonna do something about this rust or not, but I don't know. But maybe able to sand it down, bondo it. Yeah, it's just falling off, and it's kind of flimsy. So I gotta probably get someone to weld that up. But other than that, I don't know. Maybe get a bed liner. Bed liner, fix these holes, and it's a good solid truck, but it's just got some minor rust problems like the tailgate. I'm gonna get a new tailgate eventually, get it repainted. Maybe, I don't know if I want to buff it. Maybe it would look better if I buff it after I bondo all the rust and stuff. But yeah, so I'll let you guys know when my girlfriend gets here. Alright guys, so my girlfriend is here, and we're gonna unbox this thing. So you guys probably can tell what this is already. It is a Mach 1 chin spoiler, or not chin spoiler. It is a Mach 1 Grille Delete, which, let's see if I can get this out with one hand. Kind of already opened it already, so yeah, as you can see right there, Mach 1 Delete. So open this with one hand, pull out, there it is in all its glory. That's if I turn the camera so you guys can see it. There we go. So we'll put that there. And we also got the running pony, which, if you could hold this, please. So let's open this. I never had a pony on my car, even on Project Laser. So this looks insanely good. Look how nice that looks. That is crazy. So yeah, so let's get to installing the stuff. Alright guys, so I got all the tools laid out right here. You're going to need a 7mm socket, a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and whatever this thing is. I don't know, LMR said I needed it, so we're going to go with that. So first thing you want to do is pop the hood. If you could hold this again, please. Thank you. So, pop the hood, put the prop up, and we are going to take the headlights out because it makes this process way easier. So do is pull those, and it slides right. Eventually, there we go. Alright, so it slides out, and we'll just disconnect. Alright, so now we got the headlights out right there. We're going to take the screwdriver and undo all of these push pins right here. Oh, it's a ratcheting screwdriver. I didn't even know that. Okay, here we go. Alright, so we'll undo all of these right here, and then we'll get to the next step, which is unbolting it from the bottom. Alright guys, so after we got all the screws out along the top here, take your 7mm socket, pull this back, and just keep going at these things. And once you get it out, you should be able to pull this Grille Delete free. And this will take us a minute, so I'll get back to you when I'm done. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got the original Mustang grill off the car. And as you can see, it's pretty dirty, so I'm just going to take some detail spray, some paper towels, and we are going to clean this surface. Nice if I could spray. Got it all over my hands. That's great. And we're not going to do the headlights today. So we're just going to grab some paper towels here. And all that's just going to go away. You can get down here and up here. Okay, perfect. So all nice and clean, and now we're going to reinstall the Mach 1 Grille Delete. Alright guys, so now to install this, we're going to put these 4 pins right in these 4 holes right here, and make sure this lines up. So get this situated in there like that. And then it came with some nice new push pins that we can just plop in just like so up here. And then we'll screw that in, and we'll get the other side. These things go underneath where I just showed you. Those things go into the holes. That's where these things go, but we might not get to that today because it's really hard to get under there, and I don't want to waste my time. So we're going to do that. Grab the handy dandy screwdriver if I knew where I put it. Right here. Just do that. And this is a really stupid screwdriver. So we're just going to go regular. And you want to push down while you're doing that. Go over here. Push down. And that is all in. And technically, that means it's installed right now. So let's do some panning shots, and we'll see how this thing looks. Alright guys, so I just showed you guys those panning shots. That was with the Grille Delete, but we still have to install the horse, which is upside down. The horse, and that just goes in to these holes right here on either side, if you can see that. So they give you these screws that you can just hold up here and just screw it in. Alright guys, so that is going to do it for this episode of Project Silver Bullet. As you can see, we got the Mach 1 Grille Delete installed, and it looks amazing. What do you think about it?
Good.
Looks good. So, next video will be of the next mod for the front, which honestly there's only one thing left to do. Well, actually there's 2 things left for the front, but let me know in the comments down below what you guys think that will be. So, yeah, I'm gonna get some painting shots, and I'm gonna get some pictures of it another day because it's supposed to rain today, but it doesn't look like it. But I don't want to take the chance because this car leaks. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like down below. Comment what videos you guys want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you on the roads.